Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given a diagram. AB is a diameter, radius is 10 cm, and we are given angle CAB, 60 degrees. Find the area of this shaded region, ABC, which is the green color area. Now, this is the very first thing that you need to know, which is what we are going to do. It would be good if we can draw this, because from here then I can find a series of angle that will be useful. Okay, the first thing is that since OA and OC are radius, that means that if this is 60 degree, this will also be 60 degrees, because this is a isosceles base angles of isosceles triangle. Okay, and because of this, then I will also gather that this is 60 degree as well. Angle AOC, since angle sum of triangle is 180, and then that will lead me to this very important finding. Angle BOC, which I will need to use later, this purple color angle will be 120 degrees. Okay, and essentially, to find the area of this green color shaded region, we are actually finding the area of this triangle, black color triangle, and the purple color sector. Okay, and therefore which I'm going to zoom in now, since I already know that this is 10 and this is 10 cm and this is 60 degrees. So using half AB sine C, half AB sine C, you will then see that the area of this triangle is half times 10 times 10 times the sine of 60 degree, which you will later see me writing this down. And for the area of this sector, since I already know it's 120 degree as the angle at the center, I just need to divide by 360 multiplied by pi r square, and I also know the area and the radius. Radius is 10. And I just need to add these two together. Okay? Therefore, when you look at my fully presented working here, that's what I have just mentioned. Area of the triangle. This is the green color area. So the area of the shaded region is the area of the sector OBC and the area of the triangle OAC. And this is the working for the area of the sector, and this is for the triangle. And then this will give me 148 cm square when rounded off to 3SF. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.